Yo, what's up, Money Squad? Ever found yourself staring down the barrel of an empty account, heart pounding, with that next big purchase or bill looming? You're not alone. We've all been there. But what if I told you there's a way to avoid those dreaded overdraft fees and even snag a little extra cash to tide you over? That's where Chime SpotMe comes in. Now, you might be wondering, how do I get that sweet $200 SpotMe limit? Well, buckle up, 'cause we're about to break it down. First off, let's talk about what SpotMe actually is. It's basically Chime's fancy way of saying they'll cover your back when you accidentally overdraw your account. Up to $200, no less. But there's a catch, or should I say, a requirement. You gotta earn their trust. To get that coveted $200 SpotMe limit, you need to show Chime you're a reliable customer. Think of it like building credit, but for overdraft protection. The more you use Chime, the more direct deposits you get, and the better your spending habits are, the higher your SpotMe limit will climb. So, how do you get started? It's pretty simple. You need to have a Chime checking account and a debit card. Then, you gotta start raking in those direct deposits. We're talking about regular paychecks, not those random money transfers from your grandma. Think of it as showing Chime you've got a steady income. Once you've got that direct deposit flowing in, it's time to activate SpotMe. Head over to your Chime app, find the settings, and there should be an option to enroll. Easy peasy. But wait, there's more. To boost your chances of getting that $200 limit faster, you want to be a good Chime citizen. Pay attention to your spending habits. Avoid overdrafting too often, and keep a close eye on your account balance. Chime is watching, so make sure you're putting your best financial foot forward. Now, let's talk about some common misconceptions. A lot of people think that just because you have a Chime account and a direct deposit, you're automatically eligible for the max SpotMe limit. Wrong. It takes time and consistent good behavior to climb that ladder. Another thing to remember is that your SpotMe limit isn't permanent. Chime can adjust it based on your account activity. So, if you start going wild with your spending or miss a few direct deposits, don't be surprised if your limit takes a hit. So, there you have it. Getting that $200 SpotMe limit isn't rocket science, but it does require a little effort and patience. Remember, consistency is key. Keep those direct deposits rolling in, watch your spending, and before you know it, you'll be enjoying the peace of mind that comes with a higher SpotMe limit. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, keep on stacking that cash and making smart financial moves.